I create a cell model using edible materials available at home, a plant cell and an animal cell. I choose a plant cell to enumerate the organelles and its function. The bread represents the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and it is closed by the cell. It provides a platform upon which other organelles can cooperate within the cell. Next is the cell membrane. It represents the part of the bread which is brown, and these serve as the barriers or gatekeepers. A nucleus. I use Hansel cream-filled biscuits to represent nucleus. It controls and regulates the activities of the cell, and nucleus have chromatin. I use cream stick chocolate to represent chromatin. Chromatin is a substance within the chromosome consisting of DNA and protein. Aside from chromatin, there is also a nucleolus inside the nucleus. A nucleus is a region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing ribosome, and I use NAPes to represent nucleolus. Next part is the endoplasmic reticulum. I use gummies to represent ER or endoplasmic reticulum, violet for rough endoplasmic reticulum, and smooth reticulum represents the pink one. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum creates and stores carbohydrates and lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum covered by ribosome. Next is the mitochondria. I use candy men to represent mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and it provides the cell with energy. Next is the Golgi apparatus. I use jelly A's to represent Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying, and packaging of proteins and lipids. Ribosome. I use mole NAPes to represent ribosome. It is important for protein synthesis, a cellular particle made of RNA and protein that serve as the side core protein synthesis in the cell. Plants get energy from the sun, and they need this special organelle called chloroplast. I use VFresh to represent chloroplast, and always remember that only plant cells have chloroplast, and it is green because it has a green pigmented called chlorophyll. Vacuole. Vacuole means empty space. They have in the storage and disposal of various substances. And I use bar nuts to represent vacuole. Lastly, only plant cells have cell wall. Cell wall. A cell wall is a structural layer surrounding some types of cells, just outside the cell membrane. It can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigid. It provides the cell support and protection, and I use stick O to represent cell wall.